In this quick video, I will show you how to sign into YouTube on your LG Smart TV using your Google account. Let's begin. And that is it. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.